The stock market, bitcoins, and XRP are all at rock bottom, dude. We accomplished what? I have no idea. Even so, we succeeded. In addition, the 2 weekly charts show that the golden cross for all coins is rather close. Am I correct? Wow, you guys, these 2 weekly charts are really mind-boggling. Why? The price swings shown by each candle are explosive since they span 2 weeks. The higher the time frame, the more extreme the move is likely to be compared to lower time frames, hence it's best to study larger time frames. Am I correct? I stated it like way, XRP the present pricing will be a steal in a few months if it does receive confirmation on the 2 weeks. In the meanwhile, prepare to have your mouths blown open. Keep your focus on the long haul, we'll have you folks taken care of in due course. Why not include Bitcoin in 2016? Here is another cryptocurrency market cap. How did that happen? Yes, you read correctly, not only did the purple line cross over the black line in 2020, but it is also poised to cross over the black line once again. It appears to be accompanied by a green candle whenever it occurs. Yes, precisely. Time and again, a massive green candle gas appears whenever it occurs. Am I correct? So, in the coming weeks, at the earliest. Guys, we'll see it in a few months. In a good way. My preparations are complete. What about your finances? Because of this, I strongly support bullish crossovers. Yes, actually, give it a look. Year 2020, all these moving averages, including EMAs, have been trending upwards and are now crossing bullish, which is a common occurrence, so it bears repeating. Let's talk about another one right now. It's all altcoins. This is interesting because he seems to be bullish on altcoins in general and Bitcoin in particular. If Bitcoin continues to fall in value, altcoins will rise in value. By the way, Jim Cramer has reiterated his bearish outlook on the Bitcoin price, so it's clear that he thinks the market is oversold. The fact that he serves as a counter-indicator is a major plus, actually. Well, he wasn't recently, but I'm assuming he's back in the cluster now. Facebook and Instagram will soon be able to offer spot ETFs, too. This is totally real, folks. Everyone is jumping on the bandwagon, so naturally, everyone is trying to entice gods before a black swan event happens. The news broke that ever since the ETF launched its bullish FCAs, BlackRock has been purchasing around $300 million worth of Bitcoin daily. Yes, exactly. What makes certain folks bearish? In a total of 70,015 trading sessions, Aladdin acquired 3806 Bitcoin, and I am utterly clueless as to the final figures for BlackRock. I see. Guys, in 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks, it will be worth $3 billion. Wow, that's really absurd, you guys. Witness this, folks, with their spot Bitcoin ETFs, MicroStrategy and BlackRock possess a combined 130,000 Bitcoin, valued at $5.6 billion. It's mind-boggling, right? For what reason, 89,000 of you, dudes? So, institutions like BlackRock are targeting other businesses who have a significant amount of Bitcoin on hand, and Satoshi Nakamoto is one of them. For the simple reason that Satoshi is the mastermind behind all 500,000 Bitcoins, isn't he? And the outcome will be decided if they exceed Satoshi. Presently, Bitcoin is entirely controlled by a small group of people, and they would like to maintain that power. Why? Supposedly a decentralized coin, ETF, is currently the most actively traded cryptocurrency on Wall Street, surpassing GBTC. This suggests that demand is still high, which bodes well for the market. Also, Asia is becoming involved additionally. Within the next 3 months, Bitcoin ETF approval is anticipated in Hong Kong and the rest of Asia. I see. Wall Street, BlackRock, and other American institutions are buying up Bitcoin, but soon the Asian market will join them and devour the cryptocurrency's supply, putting pressure on prices even higher up the market. Given everything that's going on, why are people so pessimistic? I am uncertain. However, Fred has already laid out the case for an all-time high in the next 30 to 60 days. I think we're going to pump really hard in the next month, you guys. Taking a step back, we can consider the potential outcomes of the next 30 to 60 days. A lot of people are worried about a decline, but I'll explain the bull case for GBTC and how selling pressure on Bitcoin prices is excessive. Based on this scenario, Bitcoin has the potential to reach a new all-time high. Alright, and this is particularly true for these cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin will inevitably push everything else to its knees. Coins equal to the $1 billion sold by Gemini will now be restored. That wouldn't affect the market. Conversely, the new 9 is adding up at a snail's pace. There it is. 175,000 coins, or $7.5 billion, are in their possession. It has been 18 trading sessions, right? That's right, folks from the company's institutions. When you consider that there will be 20 to 40 trading sessions in the following 30 to 60 days, with a market cap of $850 billion, it's simple to see how this may lead to 4-6 billion additional USC inputs. With this, the market might shift by half, or $26,000. That, however, is assuming that institutions continue to purchase up the whole Bitcoin supply. And the retail sector? Where do the other individuals stand? Guys, aren't you bored? With more fuel added to the fire, it's possible that new all-time highs are on the horizon. Basically, it's at an all-time high. Am I correct? This is all before we even consider the halving or the story from Wall Street. Am I the only one who thinks this wall class is a hoot? That concludes it. The math speaks for itself once more, dudes. Just how bearish are you? That's not really me, stay away from me. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Hello, and welcome back to my channel Coin Series. From the end of 2017 to the beginning of 2018, XRP was the sole alternative cryptocurrency that had a market cap higher than Bitcoin, was it not? Could it happen again? It felt like a dream at the time, but it was actually real. Just in case it happened once? Remind me why I can do it. There was a brief moment when XRP overtook Bitcoin as the dominant cryptocurrency, but Bitcoin has now regained its position. XRP will likely remain at the top of the heap in the future, but that's not the focus of today's video. We cover all the latest news and predictions, including the arrival of altcoin season and the impending Black Swan event. Is everyone prepared? Wow, that's really unacceptable. Am I correct? Time is of the essence, and with each passing hour, we're drawing nearer to what might be a melt-up. According to this individual, many individuals are currently foreseeing more exorbitant costs for Bitcoin. Folks, right now, many individuals have been saying there are consistent losses for the crypto circle, so Bitcoin went to my thought process was a magnificent, you'd say, right. Then it went 100x, then it went 10x, and afterward the following cycle will resemble a 3x, folks, or something, right? So consistent losses individuals are proposing, yet that doesn't check out at all, folks, right? So when the group is saying one thing, what befalls, what occurs next, right? This situation gets chopped out, which implies there will in any case be remarkable increases, folks, right? And the unavoidable losses team have expressed that Bitcoin will finish out under 100k. However, could Bitcoin at any point top out and in a six-figure range, is, folks, right, reach many thousands of dollars in this bull cycle, right? It is a secret at the present time, yet we'll find out. So that is the very thing, Bitcoin, folks. Again, post-halving, right? Post-halving, we ought to see more exorbitant costs for Bitcoin and all the other things clearly. Please follow my Twitter account and subscribe my channel. Right now, I was like, hold on a second, what the fuck is going on? Are you all checking the flare chart? There is no way this can be rationalized. Do you all agree that this is flare? Everything in the XRP ecosystem, isn't it? To contribute to the same ecosystem, we obtained XRP Fleur, Songbird Gauze, and a few other tokens. This isn't implying anything, is it? It feels like the first symptoms of Altseason gospel cadets, you know? Flavor's price has been skyrocketing during the previous few days, increasing by as much as 30%. I mean, come on, now that Songbird has gone viral, it's practically the same thing. It has been nearly 50% from February 1st until the present. During a bad market, this would never occur, would it? Would this, once again, indicate that we may soon be experiencing an altcoin season? This is why we have evidence at our fingertips. Still, many are pessimistic. Your continued bullish or bearish stance baffles me. I'm still in my XRP leverage loan, by the way. I might be making a good profit right now, but I'm not. It would be insane if it happened, but I refuse to pay out for a few cents to pump petrol. I'm here for that dollar. Yeah, leverage is really mind-blowing, but I try not to go into detail during training because I don't want anyone to be swayed by the high level of danger involved. Look at this, guys, we now know that LTC is coming in 100%. Again, these are the ingredients for an Ethereum spot ETF that may last all season. Simply a friendly reminder that people tend to front-run specific events when they're on the horizon. So, if this theory tip ends up getting approved, I'll simply say but what happened during the entire season, didn't it? When will Bitcoin crash? Maybe months from now, alright? Are you all getting it? February and March. The XRP spot ETF is also expected to be approved. If you look at this carefully, an ETF will be approved and your coin bags will increase in value by a factor of 100. By the way, if you're also planning to retire your parents by 2025, you might want to like this video because the multi-year all season has begun. Give it a look. Here we have the overall market cap of all cryptocurrencies, not including Bitcoin. This includes all altcoins. Alright, everyone, we're back where we started, on the verge of witnessing this amazing massive pump. I'm prepared. I really hope they pump it before anything disastrous happens. If they don't, your banks are in for a repeat of 2020, and we don't want to see our profits go down the drain. So, here's hoping they pump it and set new records. I'm prepared. I am, in fact. This is what you need to see. The directions shown by each of the graphs are identical. Plus, it's going up. Thus, the slump in altcoins has met a trend line that has persisted for over 7 years. I don't understand how anyone can be pessimistic about cryptocurrencies, especially considering that XRP is considered an ancient coin. In the next month, we will witness bullish and hidden bullish divergences on the weekly and 2-weekly charts. While they have not been confirmed yet, they are likely to be confirmed if XRP continues its current pumping. So, there are additional pieces in the same basket as these other altcoins, and XRP is just the cherry on top. I will inform you all when it does. Once it does, it will be off to the races, which means it will go ballistic in the next month or two. XRP isn't going anywhere anytime soon, so while the market has climbed little, that was just a warm-up. Things are becoming wilder, as we can see with each break of the resistance lines. What comes next, guys? I can't believe we've reached this stage, everyone. The countdown to blast off is heating up. Am I correct? So, we're getting close to Gaza, and this is on the horizon, isn't it? It's a Bitcoin theory, and you know what happens when Ethereum explodes, everything else follows suit. Till consolidation or the pump guys give us till maybe March or April, it seems like a few more weeks. It is fascinating once again. Oh, really? Stand up, you all. Am I extremely bullish? I'm not sure. I see. I'm really confident. This is no joke. I really hope I caught XRP at rock bottom. If I were to do it, the impact would span generations. I mean, that's all we could say because it's difficult to catch Scott at bottom or top. See you in the next video, bye.